Tracey here again from Uniquely Creative. Today we are opening up day number 6 of our Advent kit. This one kind of feels really thin, Pearly. Let's show everybody what was in day number 6 of the Advent kit.
Maybe this was just some flat stickers.
Oh, maybe.
Wait, I think I know what it is. It's like a piece of like paper with all those words on it, and you cut the strips out to make cards.
A cut apart sheet? Pearl thinks it's a cut apart sheet. Let's have a look. Is it a cut apart sheet? You were right first. It's stickers. Very cool stickers to match the Seize the Day collection. So you were right. They look really awesome. I do like stickers. Thanks so much, Pearl. Good guess. You were right the first time. This was day number 6 of our Advent kit, and join us again tomorrow when we're going to do day number 7.